Hello everyone, we are going today to show up the case of how to use this agent-based task scheduler. Here we have a refined prompt, so we will suggest you to to set a task prompt for the agent to be performance better. Now we can show you the case. We want to have the translation of our module to have the support different language. Let's see how we can do that. Today we are going to use the new model of the Gemini 2.0 with the flex with the experiencement. Let's see how the performance. So as the prompt setting, we are like to then to search for the list workspace. For the list file can help the agent to make sure the project of the structure. This can have a better performance. So he's asking us about what's the component we want to translate. As this we want to do about to translate about this, I think is the module form. Yeah, we can see here has some pure string format. We want to translate about it. Okay, we just copy the relative path to the input and then send to that. Go ahead. Okay, I see that the provide component. I will actually use the language file path again. He wants to know the language file path, so we are going to tell him the language path is over here. Okay, after that it was scheduling the workflow performance. Okay, he find out the string. So he want to show up the text, but in here it is using the code partials. We can tell them to use the full code for generation. Now he is going to read again, and then he is going to write about the file, and it will take some time. Another thing we want to show up is that the new version will support multiple language, and we will update soon, like English and Chinese support. And now we can see what he have done. So as far as we find, yes, it is showing up. It have added the file and replaces original is text to the new translation. Okay, I think it's fine to see there's a difference about what he have added. If you think it's good, you can continue with it. If you don't like it or want to some adjustment, you can roll back and tell him. But in here, you can see we can roll back the task. But as we find out, this task is working pretty well, so we are going to continue about it. Let's continue about it. Okay, after that, it was scheduling next task is to read the locales. Where is the file located in it? And he is going to update the file. Okay, he is going to read the common JSONs. And now he is going to write into it. As we are talking about the new version, we have support multiple different languages. You can swap the language over here. For example, we have support the traditional Chinese. And for the or you can see the translate will be applied for the settings menu and all of this. And actually, I'm using the text agent for editing this. You can see, yeah, it's pretty great. Model's name is already in your list. Okay, he's using this. Let's continue with it. And now for the simplified Chinese version. We're going to review how he edited the file while he is still editing. You can still read something to do something else while he is editing. It's fine. So where he do all here? Okay, it has been done. After the done, he will tell you to review it. Okay, we'll get back to review the code he has generated. So for the details of what you can use with it, we are going to say this is not to replace the people. Instead of this, we are going to make the code writer to a code reviewer character. Also, we are going to introduce about how to update the history memory. For example, you want the translated function to at the first line, but if you keep telling the language model, he will not know what you have been changed. After you change, you can click the synchronize the file change to the chat history, and what it will do, it will update the history memory with your change. Okay, finally, we can see have done the editing. Oh, wait a second. Oh, as I click the change, it also changed the write to history. So be careful about clicking this while it will still generate, as it will also overwrite what he had been write to it. So this must be careful. Maybe I was thinking we should disable this feature while it is still writing to the file. Tell me for your feedback on the GitHub. Okay. Since they have done, let me see. Oh yeah. Okay. As he is telling it, he have already updated the OpenRouter for models phone. Let's see what he have been done. Click the when we start the debug mode. And here's the deep space of the models. Let me see if this is applied correctly. We are going to use the OpenRouter and we are going to edit the model list. We can see the text is shown as it have been edited. Let's swamp the language. Okay. The text is applied correctly, so it has been done about the text. And here is a showcase about how you can use with the agent feature. Thanks for your watching.